Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Tesla driver's seat. We'll cover everything from basic seat positioning to fine-tuning your lumbar support. You'll also learn how to perfectly set your steering wheel and save all your preferences to a driver profile. Getting your seat just right is key for a comfortable and safe driving experience. So let's get started and make your Tesla truly yours. First, let's tackle the basic seat position. On the outer side of your driver's seat, you'll find a set of 3 electronic buttons. Use the horizontal control to slide your seat forward or backward, ensuring your feet comfortably reach the pedals. Then, use the vertical control to adjust the seat's height and tilt angle, giving you a clear view of the road ahead and the instrument panel. Remember to always make these adjustments while the vehicle is safely parked. Next, let's refine your backrest and lumbar support for maximum comfort. Use the dedicated button on the side of your seat to adjust the backrest angle. Aim for a position where your arms are slightly bent when gripping the steering wheel, and your chest is at least 10 inches from the airbag cover. For lumbar support, use its specific control to inflate or deflate the internal bladder, finding the perfect curve to support your lower back. Finally, let's adjust your steering wheel and save your preferences. On the touchscreen, navigate to Controls and then Steering. Use the left scroll button on the steering wheel itself. Roll it up or down to adjust the height and tilt, and press it left or right to move the wheel closer or further away. Once everything feels perfect, the car will prompt you to save your settings to a driver profile, ensuring your personalized comfort is always just a tap away.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.